Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Gosund Smart LED strip lights. They did send me this product review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this item or finding out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Here's how it comes packaged to in a really nice and simple retail box. So we can see smart LED RGB colored light strips right there. We have 16.4 feet, 16 million colors, music mode, and voice control. This will work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and it works with the Gosund or the Smart Life app. Now guys, let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your instruction guide, complete in color with screen grabs, and a QR code showing you how to download and install the Gosund app on your iOS and Android devices. Next, you can see we have over 16 feet of LED strip lights right here with 3M adhesive backing that you can peel off and stick into place wherever you want. You can even cut these strips as well too at the clearly marked indicators, any of those copper connections you can see right there. We also have 5 adhesive clips right here. We have an additional piece of 3M adhesive back that can be used for the power adapter right here that also has the Gosund QR code on it as well. And then we have your power supply that plugs right into the wall and the additional adapter that connects to the LED strip lights. Now on your iOS or Android device, go ahead, download and install the Gosund app. Now on the Gosund app that you just downloaded, you're going to open it up. You'll be at this home screen where we need to add a new device. So go ahead, select the big green add device button, or you can select the plus icon in the top right-hand corner. Now we need to choose lighting and select strip lights. Now we're ready to set the device up, but we just need to reset it first and make sure that it's flashing. You can see the strip light's blue right here. It's a solid light. We need to go over to the power button on the strip. You can see I have it right here. We need to hold it down for around 6 seconds or so for the light strip to reset, and it will start flashing for us. So keep holding it down for a second, then it's going to start flickering for us. So now we can go ahead, we can let it go, and you can see it's going to start flickering, and we're ready to set everything up. So once you get to this step, go ahead, confirm that it's rapidly blinking. Now we need to enter our Wi-Fi information. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. This will not work with 5 gigahertz networks. So check with your router and your user manual to make sure you're on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Once you enter your network credentials, go ahead, select confirm. Now it's going to work on connecting the rest of the way for us. So there we go. The device was added successfully. On the screen, we could go ahead, we could change the strip light name if we want, and we can also select done. Now we're ready to go into the strip lights and check out all the great features that this app has to offer. So now we can look at all the great features we can control directly from the mobile app. First up, you'll see this big light icon. We can go ahead, we can tap that once to turn the strip light off. We can tap it again to turn it back on. We can also control our device settings in the top right-hand corner. We can select that edit icon. We can change the name again. We can view third-party control tutorials, how to set up Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. You can see device notifications. We can also share this device if we want with friends or family members right there. And we can also group this device together with other smart products. Say we have 2 of these light strips, we could control them both at the exact same time if we group them together right here. And then we can see some other device information, remove the device or upgrade the device in the future. Now we can go back out. We can also see in the bottom right-hand corner, we have our schedule icon. Let's go ahead, let's select that. So we can schedule this light, so we can add a timer. We can choose the hour and minute right here, when we want it to repeat, which days of the week. What do we want to happen? Do we want it to switch on or off? And then do we want a notification once that happens? You can hit save, and then we've successfully added a schedule right there. Then we have 3 more modes. We have your color, your scene, and your music mode. So let's go ahead, let's turn off all the lights and try those out. Now that the light's off, we can check out all the great colors. In the bottom left-hand corner, go ahead, select the color icon, and we can move the color wheel around right here. So we can see how bright and vivid all the colors are. They're really, really nice. We'll keep going. You can also notice that the light bulb indicator matches the color that you're currently selected to, which is nice if you're not in the same room and can't visibly see the lights. You know on your phone which color they're set to. So we're making our way back to the blues now. We can also adjust the brightness from 100% all the way down to 1%. Here's roughly 25%. Here's around 50%. Here's around 75%. And back to 100. And same for the saturation. We can go from 100% all the way down to 0. Here's around 25. Here's around 50. Here's around 75. And back to 100. Next, we have our scene mode that we can adjust right here. So we can check out all the different scenes. Here's the night scene. Here's our reading scene. We have our party scene. Our leisure scene. Our soft scene. Our rainbow scene. Our shine scene. And our gorgeous scene. And you may have noticed for the last couple of scenes, we actually have an edit icon as well. So we can edit the scenes if we want to change the color or the speed of the transitions. We can do that right there from within the app. So you can see for the shine, gorgeous, rainbow, and soft, we can edit all of those scenes. Now let's try out the music scene. So here we go. We have the music scene right here. It's going to change the lights depending on the external music rhythm. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to play a song. You can see it's changing a little bit while I talk, but let's go ahead, let's play some music and see how it changes. So that's really cool. Now let's go ahead, let's try out Amazon Alexa. So that music feature is really neat. Now on your mobile device, let's go ahead, let's set this up with Amazon Alexa. So open up the Amazon Alexa app. In the top left-hand corner, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna go down to Skills and Games. It's the fourth option up from the bottom. We need to search for the Gosund app right here. So go ahead, just search for Gosund so we can set up this skill. Here it is right there. We can go ahead, we can select that. Now we're going to have to authorize Amazon Alexa to be able to enable this skill. So on your screen where it says disable skill right here, yours will say enable skill. Go ahead, select that. Then you're going to enter your Gosund credentials and you'll be able to use Amazon Alexa. So let's go ahead, let's try it out. Hey Alexa, turn off strip lights. There we go, Alexa just turned the strip lights off. Hey Alexa, turn on strip lights and change color to red. So there we go, Alexa just turned the strip lights on and changed the color to red. You can also dim or increase the brightness using Amazon Alexa as well. Now let's go ahead, let's set up Google Assistant. So to set up your smart strip with Google Assistant, go ahead, open up your Google Home app on your mobile device. Once you're at your home screen, go ahead, select the plus icon in the top left-hand corner. Now we're going to need to set up a device. It's the first option right there. And it's going to be a works with Google device. You can see that option at the bottom. Already have something set up. Go ahead, select that. Now we can search for Gosund Smart. So go ahead, hit that search icon, select Gosund. So there it is, Gosund Smart. We can select that option right there. Now we're going to be taken to the Gosund page where we need to link our account. So enter your account information, select link now, and you're all set up to start using Google Assistant. Now that it's been linked with Google, we can issue voice commands. Hey Google, turn on strip lights and change color to orange. So there we go. It just turned the lights on and it just changed the color for us to orange. So everything works great. So overall, guys, you can see this product's super simple and easy to use. Just peel and stick into place. If you are going to cut it, just make sure to cut it at the designated area on the strip. And be sure to have some adapters that you can buy separately to connect it back together to get those cut pieces working again. You have to reconnect the cut pieces back to the strand in order for everything to work. Also want to point out the Gosund app is a direct clone of the Smart Life app. So I would just go ahead and set everything up with the Smart Life app, and I wouldn't even bother with the Gosund app. That might save you some trouble too when you're linking it with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. In my case, Google Assistant thought I was trying to authorize the Smart Life app, even though I was trying to set this up with the Gosund app and my Gosund app credentials, which just so happen to be the exact same credentials as the Smart Life app. So keep that in mind if you want to use Google Assistant. You might just want to set everything up within the Smart Life app first, but you might not have any problems either. Overall, I'm really impressed with how bright this light strip is in the RGB modes. You can see in the video, well, hopefully you could, how bright everything was. It was really bright, guys. I was impressed with that 100% brightness, and obviously you could make it dimmer, but most of the time with RGB products, they're never as bright as their white equivalents. But this was really nice, really bright. Really like the look and feel of this strip as well too. So it definitely has a higher quality feel than some of the other strip lights that I've reviewed. If you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Hit that like button for us. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily. Don't want you to miss anything. Give us a follow online, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check out our website. Join our free newsletter, guys. Follow us on Twitch and join our Discord server as well. Thank you for being here. New content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.